Francis Crypto Academy again. So I'm going to teach you how to set a strategy, and save it. First, you're going to tap here. You're going to tap here in on what we call mine down here. You're going to tap in mine. After tapping mine, you'll scroll and see strategy. My strategy setting is here. My strategy setting, you see it, so you tap on it, and here my strategy is already. So we have here I have the game changer, poor market. You get, I have the game changer, poor market, $100. I have RSI strategy. You can choose, you can name any strategy you want. I have the Bangwa strategy. That one is for the futures, those who trade futures. So here you're going to tap on this button, the plus button here, this plus button here. If you are yours, you have not created any strategy, it will be showing you around here. It will be showing you a word, add it now. Around here it will show you add it now. Okay, so you are going to tap into that plus button. You will tap on that plus button to add your strategy. It will ask for you here. It will ask you strategy. It will ask you the risk type here. You will tap risk type. You will tap in it and see what it shows. It is showing you radical. Radical is a person who doesn't fear danger. I can explain it like that. Someone who is very aggressive. So you have conservative. Conservative is someone who fears a lot. Fears is somehow not risky. It's not risky. Doesn't want to risk. Okay. So we have even steady. Steady is that person who is in between. You fear, but you want to risk, but you don't risk too much. Okay. So you choose these ones. You can choose according to your character. Okay, you can choose according to your character. So here I'll choose steady. Okay, I will change steady. So we have here remark. We have our remark here. It's showing remark here. You will tap in it. You will tap it and write the name of your strategy. Just write the name of the strategy that you want to use. Let us set today. Let's set the double up strategy. Double up strategy. Let's set double up strategy. Okay. So we have here the next button is showing first buying amount. Always when you open RoyalQ, whenever you put your you open your robot, whenever you tap on your strategy, this first buying amount will change. It always varies. So whenever you tap it, you have to fill in the first buying amount. Okay, so you will set there your first buying amount. Mine will be 15. We go to the next, opening double. This opening double, enable opening double here. We will not use it this time. We will not click it, but if you want every trade you set to be doubled, you can click it and you turn it on, but this time we will not turn it on. Okay, so let's go to the next one. We have a margin call limit. So these margin calls, you count them according to your capital. Are you getting me? You count margin calls according to your capital. So here we have 7. We have 7 margin calls, but this time I'll be reducing these margin calls. Let's make 4. I'm not telling you that you basically make four margin calls. No, you can make even 10 if you have capital. Okay, I'm going to show you how to play with your capital and the margin calls. So we go next to the take profit. Our take profit is the initial one is 1.3. That's the initial for Royal Q. So you can put here any number you feel like you want. Here we can use we can take a 2% since we are in spot. We can take 2%. This whole take profit whole position take profit callback means when the robot buys for you and it reaches this target, you know, we have set it to make for us a profit of 2%, but it's asking you, do you want me to continue holding the market if I reach 2%, or you want me to immediately go out of the market? If you want it to immediately go out of the market, you will set a 0 here. You just put there 0. So that robot, whenever it reaches 2%, it will just give you your money. It won't wait. It won't give you any more chance, and it won't wait. But if you want more chances, the market may be still going up. And say, hey, if it's going up, just keep collecting that another percentage. But with time, if the market tries to retrace back, you give me that that profit. So here you can set that profit here. If you feel like you want the market to go slightly beyond that 2%, you can set a 0.01 here. That when it retraces by 0.01, the robot pays you. Okay, so we'll go to margin configuration here. Margin configuration. This margin configuration helps us to set these margin calls we set up here. These margin calls we set for. So margin configuration, I'm going to manipulate those margin calls. Okay, so we are going to do that lastly. We'll come here, buy in callback. You can put here 0.01 or 0.1. Okay, we go strategy, always trade in one shot. That's what I can advise you. You tap on it and it shows you one shot. Hope you're seeing it. One shot. Okay, you tap on it and it shows one shot. So we are going for the margin configuration here. Margin configuration, we'll tap it. It will bring us to the margin calls where we want to set up the double up strategy. You get, when we talk about the double up strategy, we mean if the market here, you're telling your robot that if the market drops by this percentage here, it means the percentage here, the percentage that you want the robot to buy. Here it shows the percentage you want the robot to buy for the second time. Here is the percentage you want the robot to buy for the third call, and here for the fourth margin call. Okay, so if you have your capital like you have bought 50 using 15 as your first buying amount, here you will need to fill in these. You need to fill in all this. Okay, you need to fill in all this, and here you will fill in the number of times that you want your robot to buy. Okay, how many times do you want it to buy for the first call? How much do you want it to buy for the second call and the third call, fourth call? Okay, so here we're going to set, we can put here 0.5, that when the market drops by 0.5, buy for us 2 times. That means 2 times the first buying amount, which was $15. So this time the robot will be buying 30. Are you getting me? This time the robot here will buy $30. Okay, so now the next one here, you will instruct the robot that if the market again drops by 2.5%, you know, we used steady. If you use steady, it will automatically fill for you here. You can even don't change this side. You can even leave this side, okay, and leave it. Don't even change. You just change this left side. You getting me? So here, if it drops by 2.5, we want it to buy by 4, to buy 4 times. So this 4 times will mean this is what we call the double up strategy. It is doubling the first, when you like when you have bought with this first margin call, it bought with $30. The next one, it will double 30 times 2, and it will double and makes it 60. Okay, now the next, the third call, it will double that 60 times 2, and it will buy by 120. Then the fourth call, it will double that 120 and it makes for 240. Hope you're getting. It will make 240. So here you will just leave, you'll just make sure that here you double. If you use 2, the next one will be 4. Then you multiply 4 times 2, you get 8. It will be the next third call times. If you multiply 8 times 2, you get 16. It will be your fourth margin call. After setting your margin calls, you confirm and come here, you save your strategy. Okay, now we have set that strategy, we save it. You're getting me? If you save it, it will just automatically come here. It will be here. Now we have saved this strategy. It's called the double up strategy. Hope you're seeing the name there, double up strategy. Okay, so that is how you save a strategy.